Instagram posts are now showing up on Google, and 99% of real estate agents don't even know it. On July 10th, 2025, Google started indexing professional Instagram content. This means your reels, posts, and carousels can now rank on Google just like a blog or YouTube video. If you're a realtor, this is one of the biggest organic lead generation opportunities that we've ever seen. And this isn't just theory, this is happening right now. Today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your Instagram into a Google ranking lead generation machine. By the end of the video, you'll know how to show up when buyers search how to buy a house in your city, rank for best realtor in your city, and dominate your local market with SEO-ready content from Instagram. So let's get into it and show you how to capitalize on this unbelievable opportunity. Let's set the stage. On July 10th, 2025, Google began indexing Instagram posts, reels, and carousels from public professional accounts. That means if you're a real estate agent posting educational, local, or buyer and seller focused content, that content can now rank directly on Google. But what doesn't get indexed? Stories, lives, and private accounts. But your core feed content, it's all fair game. So what you need to do is make sure that you're using a professional account and that your profile is set to public. That's your ticket to Google visibility. An example is, imagine a buyer Googles first-time homebuyer tips in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you've posted a reel called Top 3 Mistakes First-Time Homebuyers Make in Charlotte with location tags and keywords, your post could now rank on the first page of Google. That means organic traffic from real people searching for exactly what you help them with. So why should realtors care? Here's the truth. Most real estate agents are still treating Instagram like a social platform, but now it's a search engine weapon. If your posts show up when somebody searches how to sell my home in San Diego or best real estate agent near me, you're winning the trust of that client before they even click on Zillow or call another agent. So another example is you could post a carousel titled How to Price Your Home to Sell Fast in San Diego. You could include the keyword San Diego home pricing tips in your caption. You tag the location of San Diego and use relevant hashtags, which I'll get into later. That post is now eligible to outrank massive blog posts. Why? Because it gives a clear answer in a visually engaging format. So moving forward, focus on creating content that answers buyer and seller questions. So how do you need to optimize your Instagram profile? Let's talk about your Instagram profile, because your profile itself can now show up on Google as well. Here's how you need to structure it. For the username, it should be your name or brand, and if it's already taken, it could be plus real estate. So it could be from me at Mike Sherrard or at MikeSherrard.realtor. The name field is searchable. Use it as a headline. For example, Nashville Realtor, buyer and seller specialist. And your bio example could be helping Nashville buyers and sellers navigate real estate, weekly market updates and tips, and book your free buyer consult below. The category, you need to make sure your professional profile category is real estate agent or real estate consultant. And the link in your bio should drive traffic to a free guide, consultation, scheduler, or your YouTube channel. A quick win is optimize your name field and first line in your bio with local keywords. That's what Google pulls from. So how do you optimize posts for Google indexing? Well, this is your Instagram SEO checklist. So save this, use this, and implement this on every single post going forward. Number 1, primary keyword in the first sentence. Example, thinking about selling your Denver home in 2025. Part 2, 2 to 3 secondary keywords throughout the caption. Use supporting terms, for example, home value, seller tips, and market update. Part 3, answer a question in your post. Think, how do I buy a home with 5% down, or how do I buy a home for less than 20% down? Part 4, 10 hashtags in this exact structure. 1, 3 geo-specific, like Denver real estate, Colorado homes. 3 niche specific, for example, first-time home buyer, home seller tips. 2 long tail hashtags, sell your home fast in Denver, buy a home in Denver. And 2 branded hashtags, which is your name real estate and your name living. Part 5 is alt text, which is describe the visual with keywords. For example, Nashville real estate agent explaining home buying tips. Number 6, location tag. Use your city or even a neighborhood. And number 7, a clear call to action. Example, DM me buyer for my checklist, or save this if you're selling in 2025. So make sure you go back to your last 5 posts and retroactively add keywords to captions and the alt text. So how do you create posts that answer questions? Google is now favoring posts that answer specific questions. This is where AEO, or answer engine optimization, comes into play. You want your post to become the answer Google delivers when people are searching for it. Number 1, post types that work best. Reels, answer a single question in 30 seconds. Carousels, step-by-step breakdowns. Testimonials, frame them as case studies of how I helped this family sell in just 3 days. Part 2, example questions to answer. For example, how do I sell my home and buy a new one at the same time? How much do I need for a down payment in Atlanta? Is now a good time to buy in your city? So write down the 10 most common questions that you consistently get from buyers and sellers and create one post for each of them. You need to focus on local SEO. Google loves local. If you're not adding location context in your content, you're invisible. Here's exactly what to do. 1, mention your city in the caption. 2, use geo-targeted hashtags. 3, tag the location on every post. And 4, reference neighborhoods or zip codes, the alt text. Example, your post title could be how to buy a home in Nashville in 2025. The caption is Nashville buyers. Here's what you need to know about today's interest rates, prices, and competition. The hashtags could be Nashville real estate, moving to Nashville, home buying tips. So one of the best things is create a series of, for example, your city buyer tips or selling in your city, and post weekly. If you really want to go to the next level, combine YouTube and Instagram. This is where you scale. Instagram is your short form hook, YouTube is your long form trust builder. When they work together, your content gets multiple chances to rank. So this is the exact workflow you should be using if you want to dominate your market. 1, a YouTube video. For example, everything first-time homebuyers need to know in Phoenix. Number 2, the Instagram Reel. Top 3 mistakes Phoenix buyers make. Number 3, the carousel. Step-by-step buying process in Phoenix. 4, the story. Behind the scenes of a home tour with a first-time home buyer. And now you could even repurpose that one YouTube video into 3 Instagram posts this very week. Next, what gets measured gets managed. Tracking is how you're going to get better results month over month. So how do you do it? Because most agents struggle with it. 1, Google Search Console. See if your Instagram URL is getting impressions. 2, your Instagram Insights. Look at the saves, shares, and profile visits. 3, ask leads when they reach out how they found you. And 4, look for keyword matches using tools like ChatGPT. So what you should do right now is check your top performing posts this month and see, does it include a city name, a keyword, or alt text, and use that as a baseline moving forward. So now you have a complete roadmap to getting your Instagram posts indexed and ranked on Google. And if you want to shortcut the process and get the full system done for you with templates, workflows, content ideas, keyword lists, and the top AI tools to help you with this in a fraction of the time, you need to join the AI Agent Accelerator. Inside the AI Agent Accelerator, my top AI training for realtors, you get my full Instagram SEO system, the workflows that are going to help you plan, create, and post content that ranks fast, and ongoing training updates to make sure you're always ahead of the curve and updates like this. You can click the link below in the description or the pinned comment in order to see more about what agents are raving about, because the training in there is going to be your secret unfair advantage moving forward to dominate your market and outrank anybody else on all of these platforms. So if you got value from this video, just make sure you like it so I know to create more content like this, and drop a comment with the biggest takeaway that you have. And if you want to know how to create a hyper-local social media content strategy, check out this next video where I show you how to use 2 different AI platforms to do all the work for you and outperform anybody else in your market.